Before that, one things we discussed in the earlier classes that when two charges are opposite polarity, you can see that this charge is plus and this is minus. It is impossible to the point B between their line joining. Why? Because if this point is P here, for this plus charge, electric field will be this direction. For this minus charge, electric field will be this direction. So when two field will be same direction, then their resultant field will never be zero over there. But if I say the x point will be outside any point over here, then you can see that for the plus 16 microcoulomb, direction of U will be this direction, and for minus 9 coulomb, that will be this direction. So the x will be 32 centimeter, where the resultant field will be 0, because when the point is outside the line joining, you can see that both the field is directed in the opposite direction and they cancel each other, and that point could be the resultant point where the resultant field is 0 over there.